Yay, Fumio-chan!
Hi.
And we're gonna eat nabe.
Nabe.
Do you like nabe?
Yes, I love it.
Okay, so today we're gonna make nabe with instant meatball.
Oh, Trader Joe's?
Nijia.
Okay.
Nijia meatball, chicken meatball. And this is a gyoza.
Gyoza.
I made a gyoza with the shrimp. The shrimp.
Oh,
gyoza.
you made it?
Yeah, I made
it's...
it. Gyoza is frozen, but it's okay. You can put in the frozen. I want to have like a little bit ginger for the broth. 5 slices. We can put in the water.
Okay.
Okay, like chicken meatball frozen.
Okay.
You can make your own, but this is the easy way ね。なんかね、いや、ナッパめんどくさいからちょっとこうやって切る。
Ah, okay. M word.
めんどくさい、troublesome. We shouldn't use, right?
My grandma told me, it make your spirit old.
So look at this beautiful
Oh,
plate, right?
yeah,
I'm
it's
gonna
pretty.
prepare in here, okay? ね、豆腐。
Okay,
We
tofu.
Japanese cut on the
Hand.
hand. Careful about it. 大丈夫よ。Some shiitake mushrooms.
じゃあ違う。
Pink mushroom.
Pink mushroom.
Shimeji mushroom. So we have a triple mushroom. The shimeji mushroom, I'll take off this.
Okay.
Mushroom has umami.
Umami.
Like all over the world, people knows umami those days.
Yeah.
Umami, umami. Well, already beautiful, right?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
So what we need is more color, right? So the carrot has a color. I don't peel as usual.
Well, skin has more nutrition.
Yeah, if it was organic, you know.
Yeah.
I have a tendency to making too much. My mantra: vegetable is just a water.
Vitamin water.
That's true, right?
Nice sound.
Hmm?
Nice sound.
Ne, I love the sound of the cooking, cutting. I put here, squeeze. And the point of the preparation, no flat. It's kind of
Stand up.
stand up. Japanese people requirement for nabe. Shungik is a kind of daisy, right? Like an edible daisy leaves, slightly bitter. Stalk part we need to cook very well though, but this leaf part is just like a fondue in nabe, like 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Ta-da!
Nice, nice, beautiful.
Nice, beautiful. We're gonna eat this.
Right.
So how do we eat? Is a dip in a ponzu sauce. The ponzu sauce, you can buy ponzu sauce itself though, but it's really, really easy. Ponzu means a soy and citrus taste. So then if you want to have a sweeter one, use a dashi soy, which is a dashi shoyu. And also grounding daikon. And I always like, this is additional. From here, that's a
Basic.
basic. はい。で、これが additional ね。で、I want to do additional today. Ground daikon. Maybe 3 tablespoons or 4 tablespoons. Depend on how many people wanna eat. Good enough, right? Lemon. Easiest way of the lemon squeezing is this. Squeeze and rotating. 幸せってなんだっけなんだっけポン酢醤油のあるうちさ
ポン酢醤油はキッコマン。
キッコマン。Yeah. Ponzu is anyway citrus and soy taste. So if you are using dashi shoyu is a concentrated one. So then you can add water. So prepare the pan, like kind of this, like a deep frying pan. Adding the water. And if you have, I recommend the konbu.
Konbu.
for umami ne.
Dry seaweed.
And also you can eat this one.
Yeah.
And this one becoming bigger. Yay, Fumio, yay. Hard things, firm things first. So instead of the leaf top, we can put like very closer to the stalk part. Yeah. In the water, yeah. The ginger for the little bit flavor. I'm gonna serve the tare. Ponzu.
Ponzu.
Yes, we dip into this ponzu sauce. And into the ponzu sauce, some of the grounding daikon